excited! Hello my happy faces, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, then hello, my name is Ridhi and I make videos on beauty, makeup, fashion, travel, vlogs and a lot of random stuff. I am super duper excited to be shooting today's video because it's one of the first videos which is in my revamped sort of studio room. Though I'm not going to show you the exact room right now, but obviously you can see a hint of the room and you can figure out कि क्या हुआ है, ये कैसे हुआ है. I'm going to be doing a separate video on everything from scratch. Like when this wall had nothing on it, I shot an entire vlog over a period of days. I'm going to be uploading it super soon. I'm just waiting for a couple of more things to get finished. Till then I can show you everything. I'm super duper excited. This video is going to be very helpful for people who want to know remedies of how to remove the suntan, and also they have an acne problem, because I'm going to be talking about two products which I've been using for the past couple of days from Mamaearth. Yes, this video is sponsored by Mamaearth, so thank you so much for that. That being said, I'm obviously going to tell you my honest reviews about this product, so stay tuned. I have a couple of things to say about this product, but before I actually move on directly to the product reviews, I'm going to be talking about one important thing which I feel जो सबको करनी चाहिए. लोग डरते हैं वो करने से but नहीं करते हैं. I've done a video on my YouTube channel I think last year, and you guys still today ask me so many questions about it, so I thought आज उस टॉपिक को फिर से एड्रेस किया जाए, because that is also one of the important things to get a very healthy, bright, glowing skin. And what I am talking about is a facial razor. I mean, this is something which I can never regret starting to use in my life. I have been using a facial razor for I think over 2 years now, and I love that I made this decision. बहुत लोगों को मिसकंसेप्शन है कि रेजर यूज करने से उनके थिक बाल आएंगे, या फिर काले बाल आएंगे, या फिर रैशेस पड़ जाएंगे, या फिर ये तो लड़कियां करते हैं. But it's not that. I have a full video on using facial razors. I'm going to be linking it down below. But why am I even discussing the topic of facial razors when I'm going to be talking about something to remove your tan? Because of the fact that facial razors actually help in reducing that dirt on your face. Not directly, but definitely indirectly. Using facial razors is actually dermatologically tested. It's completely safe to use because it is just a razor और कुछ भी नहीं मार रहे हो अपने face पे. It's a great method to exfoliate your skin, getting rid of that top layer. जो आपके fuzzy peachy hair होते हैं. Have like just use a facial razor and I can feel that my skin is super duper soft. Of course I have used my creams and face wash and everything on top of using the facial razor. But then again I feel that this, my friend, is the starting point to any kind of skincare. आप चाहे जितने टाइप की क्रीम लगा लो फेस पे, जितना भी मेकअप लगा लो फेस पे, जब तक आपके फेस पे वो छोटे छोटे बाल हैं, आपका मेकअप भी बहुत ढंग से नहीं आएगा. जो प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज करते हो, दैट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू पेनिट्रेट इनटू योर स्किन एंड एक्चुअली वर्क फॉर योर स्किन. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई फील दैट दिस इज समथिंग जो एक फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है आपकी स्किन केयर रूटीन का. यूजिंग फेशियल रेजर्स इज नॉट अ बिग डील, you guys. Let me tell you how I use this facial razor. Here I'm using this facial razor from Tinkle. I got it from Amazon and I'm going to be listing in the description box a link to this razor. The technique is very simple. You just have to use this razor in a 45-degree angle and just start going in downwards direction of your hair growth. The only thing is that be a little gentle, and yeah, you can actually see that after using this razor I can see that छोटे बाल जो मेरे face से निकल रहे हैं. To get that extremely smooth skin, and then the products I use after it becomes so easy to use those products. Face wash, scrub, makeup, foundation, blush, bronzer, everything glides onto the skin so easily, and that's why I think that this is a must use for a skincare. That being said, obviously facial razors cannot help you in removing tanning, because all it's doing is just getting rid of the hair on your skin, not really like the first layer of skin itself. आपने देखा होगा कि अगर आप अपने हाथों और पैरों की वैक्सिंग कराते हो तो एक layer of skin निकलती है, which is actually the tanning जो आपकी निकलती है आपकी. But obviously razors are not going to help you in removing the skin tan, and for that I have this product from Mamaearth. This is their Ubtan Facewash. This product is specifically made to remove that suntan. This particular one has turmeric and saffron, and this, as it says, is for tan removal. This is again paraben and SLS free. It is hypoallergenic and it is suitable for all type of skin. This face wash right here retails for ₹249. इस face wash का नाम ही Ubtan Facewash है. मतलब आप लोगों को पता होगा, मैंने दिखाया भी अपनी previous videos में कि मैं हल्दी और बेसन और कर्ड और मिल्क के साथ एक फेस पैक बनाती हूँ. That is an Ubtan of course, but making that in the kitchen is obviously an effort in itself. Now this one actually is not like a gel वाला form. Literally अगर मैं इसको अपने हाथ पे दिखाऊं ऐसा लगता है कि अदरक की पेस्ट है, but अदरक की पेस्ट नहीं है. It's obviously a face wash, and when you apply it has like those small walnut extracts which actually helps you in exfoliating your skin and getting rid of the dead skin cells which are there on the upper layer of the skin. Now this face wash also contains licorice extract which again helps in sun repair damage. It also contains carrot oil which is great to remove sun tanning, and obviously turmeric के बारे में तो you guys know how much benefits it has. We use it in cooking. We also use it a lot for face packs. I don't really scrub my face every single day. मैं alternate day पे scrub करती हूँ अपने face को. So मुझे लगता है कि मैं इसको रोज यूज करती हूँ तो मेरा skin थोड़ा सा dry feel होता है because I don't like to exfoliate my skin every single day. But for that I have again another option. This is their tea tree and neem face wash. Now this one is a great product if you have acne. Tea tree, as you must be knowing and I've spoken about it a lot of times, helps you in controlling that bacteria which ultimately develops into acne. It also helps in reducing that excess oil which comes on your face but not really stripping your skin of the actual natural oils. This one is again for ₹249. I think they're both very nicely priced, and if you want to get an additional 20% off, then you can go to the Mamaearth website and use my code Ridhi20 and you can avail a 20% discount. This tea tree and neem face wash also contains aloe vera gel which helps in reducing that redness on your face and cooling down your skin. You guys know how many benefits aloe vera also has for your skin. This one right here is in a very runny format, and right now I'm going to be using both these face wash on half and half of my face. On my right side and your left I'm going to be using the turmeric face wash, the Ubtan face wash, and on my left and on your right I'm going to be using the tea tree and neem face wash. As you can see, the Ubtan face wash is really very exfoliating on my skin. It really feels that I'm using a scrub on my face, whereas the tea tree and neem face wash is actually a very runny and gel format. As I said, there is no sort of beads in it for exfoliation. These were the two products I wanted to talk to you about from Mamaearth. These are available on Nykaa, Amazon, as well as the Mamaearth's website, so I'm going to be mentioning all the direct links in the description box. Before I end, I just wanted to tell you that Mamaearth is actually a made safe certified brand in Asia, and it's actually a brand which is plastic positive, which means that it recycles more plastic than it uses, so which is great and great for the environment as well. Both the face wash have completely different uses. If you want something which can help you in reducing your suntan, then go for the Ubtan face wash, and if you want something which can help you in reducing your acne, then go for the tea tree and neem face wash. Both of these are really great for the price, and I would definitely recommend you to check these out. Only one concern which I have with these products is that it sort of makes my skin a little dry. Obviously I have to use other creams on top after I'm done with the face wash. For that I'm using my serums and my face creams and my day cream and my night cream and everything. You obviously would need to moisturize your face, and that is something which you should obviously do as well, along with the SPF, you guys. So yeah, I'm like perpetually giving you guys advices. I feel that I am like a guru, but I am not. It's just my personal opinion. Your opinion could very well be different from mine. But yeah, this is what I think about these two face wash. I also think that using a razor is like an extremely important step in your skincare, and if you would like me to do a separate video, a detailed video on that, then please hit me up in the comment section. I would love to know what you guys think. And yep, I think that's about time to say bye bye to this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with videos every Thursday. Bye.